Hello friends, welcome back to another stitch tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to crochet the lemon peel stitch. And this is a very easy pattern and it uses two stitches, the single crochet stitch and the double crochet stitch, with only one row repeat. So another stitch that is similar or uses the single crochet and the double crochet stitches is the suzette stitch, and I'll leave a link on how to work this stitch in the description box below. And for this tutorial we're going to need yarn. I'm going to use an Aran weight yarn. You can use any yarn that you have around, and this is milk cotton yarn, pair of scissors, 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and a darning needle. So let's start our work. To begin, you're going to make a slip knot, and then you're going to chain any odd number of chains. For the sake of this video, I'm going to chain 23, but if you're working on a large project, you're going to chain more chains. Just make sure that it's an odd number. So I'll go ahead, work 23 chains, then I'll meet you in row 1. So I went ahead and finished 23 chains, and for row 1, you're going to skip the very first chain from the hook. The loop on the hook does not count as a chain. So skip the very first chain, and on this second chain you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So that's our first single crochet stitch. Then yarn over, go in the next stitch or the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So you have a single crochet in the first chain and a double crochet in the next chain, and you're going to alternate between those stitches all the way to the end. So single crochet in the next chain, then double crochet in the next chain, single crochet next chain, double in the next. So continue with that pattern, working a single crochet in the next chain, a double crochet in the next chain, single crochet next chain, double crochet next chain, all the way to the end of the row. So your last stitch is going to be a double crochet. After working all the way to the end of the row, your last stitch is a double crochet stitch. So you're going to chain 1, then turn to row 2, and row 2 is going to be our repeat row. So go in the very first stitch, the double crochet stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, which is a single crochet stitch, you're going to work a double. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Then you're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch, then a double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and double crochet in the next stitch. So in this pattern you're going to repeat the same by working a single crochet on every previous row double crochet stitch. So since the next stitch is a double, you're going to work a single crochet, then this single crochet stitch here you're going to place a double crochet and alternate between a single crochet and a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single, double, all the way to the end, ensuring that you're working your single crochets on previous row double crochet. The double crochet looks longer than the single crochet, so you can easily identify the double crochet stitch. So this one is a double, so in this double we'll work a single crochet, and in this single crochet you're going to place a double crochet. So repeat your row pattern until the end of the row, ending with a double crochet because we have a single crochet stitch here at the very end. After working your stitches to the end of the row, you're going to chain 1, then turn your work, and you're going to repeat row 2 pattern all the way until you finish your project. And it's only a 1 row repeat, and every row starts with a single crochet, then ends with a double crochet. And you're going to alternate between a single and a double, single and a double, single and a double, all the way to the end. So repeat that, and then I'll meet you after I've worked for several rows. So I went ahead and made 14 rows, and you can see how the fabric looks like. I really love the texture of this stitch, and it's very warm. You can use it for blankets, you can use it for cardigans, you can use it even for washcloths and placeholders. So thank you so much for watching the tutorial. When you're through with your project, make sure that you chain one at the very end, and then you can weave the tail at the back or the inside of your work. Another thing, that this stitch is reversible, so you can use it on both sides. So thank you so much for watching the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below, and until next time, stay safe, God bless you, and bye.